In this video lesson, I will show you what is lot size for the XRPUSD, which is a Ripple against US, which is a crypto value. Then you have a link below in the description which will show you this lot size calculator and also an example how to use this lot size calculator and how to calculate the lot based on the risk and also number of pips that you will use. Let me show you first here what are the important fields for this calculator. First field is the instrument that we will use, in this case it's Ripple. Then you have a deposit currency set to US dollar. I have my trading account set to US dollar, but you can change that to any other by using drop down menu. Then you have here two fields, where first one is open price, a second one is a stop loss price. If you would like to use the open price and stop loss price, you can use that, but there is a second option there where you can use the number of pips. Go here, click it here, switch to stop loss, and then you can enter here the number of pips. I will use 1000 pips set and the account balance set to $10,000. You can use account balance any other you would like, but I have used 10,000, which is on my trading account. Then you have here Ripple USD 1 pip size, which tells you at which decimal point, in this case it is at the 4th decimal point, is 1 pip change in the market price. When you go to the trading platform, we can see that the current market price is 05108, so the 4th decimal point is a pip. When this number changes from 7 to 6 or 8, it will be changed by 1, it means it has changed by 1 pip. Then we have here a risk field where you define how much percentage are you willing to risk in the trade. You can put a number of a percentage or in the US dollar as a deposit currency. I will use percentage and I will set to 1. Click calculate and you get here information that question mark that requires from you to define what is the contract size, which means units per lot. How many units per one lot? It is currently 1. First, you need to ask your broker what is the contract size for the Ripple, or you can go to the trading platform, click right mouse button for where the Ripple is, click specification, and you will have here a contract size set to 1. Set to 1, and the minimum volume is 1 and the maximum volume is 100. Volume step is 0.01. So let's put number 1 as a contract size here. Click calculate, and we get that we should open 1000 lots for this trade size. But the problem is that the maximum lot, I have just checked it here for the Ripple, is set to 100. So let's change the stop loss, for example, to 10,000 pips. Click calculate and we get lots as the maximum. Let's open this trade and see on the market how this looks. Let's open 100 lots, market decision, let's pending order and put here a buy limit, which means the price should be below. Let's open at 0.51, for example. Okay. Stop loss should be 1000 pips less, which means 41, and the take profit should be above 100 pips, 1000 pips. Sorry, here it is 10,000 pips. This is not possible to put stop loss in the number of pips, which is 10,000. Let's use this one. We should change. We cannot use 10,000 pips. We can use this one. And click calculate. We need lots, which is not possible. So we are not able to take this trade because we cannot open lots which is equal to 1000, and also we cannot open stop loss that was equal to 10,000. So this is a little bit problem for us because the market is not available with these prices. What we can do, let's put 10% as a risk. Okay, let's put lower risk, 0.1. Okay, with 1000 pips, let's put lots. This is the price, and also click the place. Now we have take profit. Sorry, I have put here something wrong. Stop loss 0. Okay, this one is 61. Modify. Okay, here it is. Let's put this one here. Here it is a stop loss. Let's put stop loss here. You can see that the profit is minus $10, which is 0.1 risk based on this lot size. So with the lot size equal to 100, we have defined how much we should open this trade. So this lot size calculator helps you to define what is the lot needed when you're opening a trade based on the number of pips as a stop loss. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment. I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!